Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on how to fill blank spaces in source document with the null in SSIS package. So there are some scenarios where we will get the data from CSV or text files, very odd and unnatural data. So it appears some blank spaces under the head of the columns. So if you see I will show employee data, which is text document and comma separate value. It contains five columns: ID, first name, last name, gender, and company name. But you see the data here: ID first, ID one, comma, and again comma, black, comma, male, Google name. So it means the first name is not there. Last name is black, gender is male, and the company name is Google. And you see the second row there. There is no ID. There is no ID. There is no integer. Immediately, two ID is not there. Immediately, first name is showing Malcolm. In the second name, there is no last name. It is in place of that space is there. After that, immediately comma, male, and HP is the company name. So you see the third row, 3 is integer, Sarah is first name, Williams is the last name. Instead of gender female, there is no female here, immediately comma, and Microsoft is the company name. So in the last row, all three are uh, no values, but comma is separated, and female is appeared, and last also company name is also not appeared here. So this is where sometimes you will get the files. It will be very hectic task to load the data to cleanness this data completely. How to fill the null values in the blank spaces? Now we will show. Let's jump into the demo. This is my EMP table having the same roles that exist in the CSV document, the text document, ID, first name, last name, and gender, company name. Now I want to load all those irrelevant data into this table. First, I'm dragging the data flow into control pane, double click, and my source document is a text document. So I am going to configure flat file source, new, browse. EMP is my text document. Uh, Everything is same. If you see the preview, it will appear first ID, first name is null, blank, last name is black, and male and Google. And second, there is no ID. Malcolm is the first name, uh, last name is blank, male and HP. And third it is C, and third ID is there, Sarah Williams, and there is no gender female, and Microsoft is there. In fourth row, completely four columns is blank, but gender is showing female. So if we load this data in the same way, we will leave the destination. My server name is admin, sample is my database, my table is EMP table, mappings, everything is mapped, I need to map manually. Now if I run the package, all four rows are getting loaded into the table. If you see the table, this is what it appears. data is looks inconsistency, odd and unnatural. So now I want to fill the blanks with null values. How can I do this? First, I am truncating the table. Table is empty now. Again, I am going to the SSIS package. While loading the package, flat file source, you have one property here with the checkbox. Retain null values from the source as null values in the data flow. So that means if any null values are there, you can keep the input source does have any null values. It will ask to retain the same null values if you check this option. So currently I'm not doing, I'm not to change that option. I will keep it as it is. I will, there is one property when we right click on the plot file source, there is an option show advanced editor. If you go in that properties, there is one column is there in the down in custom properties, retain values, retain nulls. So it is asking, it is saying retain nulls false. By default, it is saying false. Now I want to make this property as true. Okay, whenever you make a property as true, it will automatically check the this property is checked. Whenever you click the property as true in the last slide, automatically it will check mark will come in this file flat file source editor. Now I am again loading the document again. If you run the package, you will see now the table and entire blank rows in the data will fill with null. So first name is earlier it is blank, now it is null, and ID2 there is no ID2 separately in, and last name is last name also fill with null. In fourth record is different. In fourth record, entire first three rows blanks earlier, now it is filled with null, and the company name also null in fourth row. So this is how you need to fill the blank values with nulls. This is very important property, but unfortunately it will ignored and overlooked by the developers while doing the package. So thanks for watching the video.